Sharing, internet security standard, development as a, that's the only way to do it. You don't have that, you can't get anywhere. Yes, please. Now, but let me say this. The war on terror has to be won. However, it's not true, but that's I'm sorry to say this. You know, terrorists have enough time to plan. If they want to attack this hotel, you'll be planning, but you don't know. Because they have enough, and they have a lot of money to do it. They are not short of money. Oh. Fund hasn't got money, they have money. They have time, they have money. But you know the worst one? They are ready to die. We don't want to die. We don't have money.
Then training for the process. Possibly bring all agencies under one operational umbrella and you train them before you deploy them. If not, you'll still be having that problem. Then empowerment of NCA to act decisively. Of course, NCA doesn't want to be a toothless bulldog, so you have to empower NCA to work decisively. Then investment, the next point, investment in modern technology. This is very, very important. Use of machinery level equipment. Of course, nowadays are
issues. So for aviation to keep going, I make dare to say aviation security is the oil that will lubricate and make that possible.
Everyone has a responsibility to assist in ensuring and sustaining security in the aviation industry. When we have that one firmly understood and enforced, then those layers that are around the airport, the 3 or 5 hotel layers, will have much less pressure because there will be a lot of proactive information coming in. It takes away a lot of our issues, it makes everyone look good. And it takes us to my first